Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to schedule a direct message on Instagram. So it's a very easy process. What if you do is just simply open your Instagram account, then just simply go to the message section at the top right hand side corner. Now just simply choose any existing conversation or create a new conversation, or just simply start a new conversation at the top right hand side corner. Now once you're in the chat section, just simply type your message first. Let's say for example, hi. Now just simply hold the send option and a schedule message section will appear in front of you. Over here, just simply choose the date that you want to send the message on, the time, and AM PM. Once you will decide your desired time, all you have to do is just simply click on send on whatever date you've decided. And then once you will do this, you will see a small notification at the very bottom left hand side corner, which will say scheduled message. As you can see right over here, if you will click on it, you will be able to see what message is scheduled for what date. As you can see right over here. And if you ever want to delete the scheduled message, all you have to do is just simply hold that particular message that you have written. And then just simply click on delete. And that will delete your scheduled message. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.